ẹjọ́ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé, ẹ fìdílé nǹkan, ẹ wá nǹkan kan fìdílé báyìí. Èmi ti mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pàṣírí máa padà tú. Èmi ti mọ̀, ó dá mi lójú ṣáká wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò lè lọ bẹ́yẹn. Ọmọ ológo ni Mohbad, ẹlẹ́dàá rẹ̀ sì ń já fitan káàkiri. Ẹ wo àtọdún tọmọdé ti ń pariwo justice for Mohbad, àgbà ń pariwo justice for Mohbad, àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin àti gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin náà ṣe gba ọ̀run lọ lójijì. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe, ètò tèmi tún ní agbára. Ó jẹ́ tó gbomijé lójú ẹni tó sì kàní lára púpọ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí òye o àti ìrírí àti bí Ọlọ́run ọba ṣe ṣẹ̀dá àwọn ọmọ Ádámọ̀, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè dání, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè hùwà àbàjẹ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lè ṣèkà. Àmọ́ ó tún máa ń kàní lára púpọ̀ jù nígbà tí a bá tú wò tá a rí para ilé ẹni gangan òun lọ̀tá ẹni. Ẹ bá mi subscribe, ẹ comment, ẹ bá mi share program yẹn, like ẹ, because ètò yìí lọ fà ó lọ fà ó kàní lára. Ó dá o, báwo lẹ̀yin máa ṣe feel, ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tòótọ́, ẹ̀yin onínúure, ẹ̀yin tọ́lọ́run ọba dá tó dá lẹ́dà ẹ̀dá gidi. Báwo lẹ ṣe máa rí, báwo lẹ̀yin náà ṣe máa feel nígbà tí ẹ̀gbọ́n bá jáde láyé tí àbúrò wa ní èmi ní fídíò tó lè tọ́ka sí bí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ṣe kú àbí ohun tó ṣokùnfà ikú ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. Mo ní fídíò náà lọ́wọ́, that is an evidence. Àmọ́ kí n tó lè fi fídíò náà kalẹ̀ o, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ fún mi ní 3 million naira. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bani nínú jẹ́. A máa ṣe àríwòye àti àkíyèsí pé irú ọmọ tó lè wúrú wà báyìí, báwo làwọn òbí ẹ̀ ṣe tọ́ ọ dàgbà. Ṣé gbàgbé àwọn èèyàn ní bàbá Mohbad ò dáa, àwọn kan ní alágbèrè ní màmá Mohbad, àwọn kan ní Wùnmí òun lẹni bí ẹni àìjírí àìjíkò tó fi àrékérekè àti ìwà tí ò dáa tó fi rán ọkọ rẹ̀ lọ́rùn. Ta ni ká gbámú, ta ni ká dìmú? Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló jẹun tó dáyàn láàmú púpọ̀ jù. Àdúrà Alọ́ba tó jẹ́ àbúrò Mohbad, ṣé ti rí fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀n yín? Èyí tí ẹ kàn nídìí ni kẹ́ ẹ wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ dópin, kẹ́ ẹ lè rí òkodoro ọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó mára ẹni tutù púpọ̀ jù. Àbúrò Mohbad ní mo ní fídíò tí mo lè sẹ́ndì sí yín o, tí ó kó gbogbo ayé kúrò nù doubt, tí ó tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ pé lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ náà lẹ máa rí pé àṣẹbi tí Mohbad gbà lọ nìyẹn. Àmọ́ kí n tó lè fún yín fídíò yẹn o, ẹ máa kọ́kọ́ fún mi ní 3 million naira. Ẹ má yẹ ká dóònà pẹ̀lú. Ṣé ẹ ti subscribe, ẹ ti share, ẹ ti comment? Ó yẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fídíò yìí. Ìtẹ́yìn náà bá rí sí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun, ẹ là wá lóye, ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n ayé, ẹ̀yin olùmọ̀, ẹ kọ́ wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Bàbá ń tọ́mọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo olúwa tá a fi ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa.
At about 4:23 p.m., Adura Aloba, Mohbad's younger brother, has sent me a DM after listening to me for a while and reacting in the comment section. When realized I may not see.
It's not Adura Aloba.
Okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay.
Please.
Don't worry. Let me finish my speech. Let me finish my speech. I have to continue my speech. Mọ́mí àdúrà ẹ wo bí kò sí ohun tó máa ṣe ìgbọ́dọ̀ mi. Mọ́mí ẹ fi ọkàn yín balẹ̀. If we can love his brother, we will have to love him. Trust me. I will always hold my end of him. Okay, at about 4:23 p.m., I have to take you guys back so that you can be up to speed. Mohbad's younger brother has sent me a DM after listening to me for a while and reacting in the comment section. When he realized I did not see the DM on time, he wrote to the comment section asking that I check my DM. And lo and behold, he offered to give me a video recording of a fight that ensued between the late singer Mohbad and his wife Cynthia. He demanded for 3 million naira. He went further to convince me by narrating how the violence between his brother and his wife resulted in Mohbad falling off the stairs and hitting his head to the floor.
Can you see?
Something that can equally be linked to the bent neck in the casket, so much blood some few people found in the house after the singer had passed. The conversation went on for a while, with me playing along. I demanded to see at least the proof of a video existed, and he requested for my email and shared a 3 seconds partly censored image to me. When I downloaded, I previewed, and there was a violent argument in the video in the background. I probed further for longer and uncensored images, and the negotiation got stuck at that point. The following morning, I immediately informed the Deputy Commissioner of Police heading the State Criminal Investigating Department, that is DCP Lati. That is the main segment of the Lagos State Police Command, saddled with the ongoing homicide investigation. And I also reached out to the PRO of the Lagos State Police Command, Mr. Benjamin Hundeyin, and I sent the images to both of them. And in the course of our interfacing, the DCP acknowledged and then obliged me to come in with a petition to that effect, and which I sent in and he acknowledged. While I was expecting positive feedback on the news, on the new lead from Banzi, the next phone call invitation I received was from a police officer with the name Shedrack Enabo. He introduced himself as the investigating officer, that is the IPO, CP Special Squad, that is Commissioner of Police Special Squad 1. He reliably informed me on a case of impersonation brought to the attention of the Commissioner of Police by Adura Aloba, and that I should come so that they can intimate me of their findings and progress. I quickly reminded him of my earlier petition on the same matter to the State CID of the State Command. Of course, as a gallant of justice fighter, I had the appointment and I went straight to the CP's Special Squad 1. I attended the Special Squad 1. I met with the deceased father, Mr. Joseph Aloba, his lawyer, and one Mr. Ayepareti. They were waiting there to also to see what was going on. The officer in charge briefed me and shared some detailed efforts. I commended them for the proactive approach and prompt public service delivery. I only noticed from his response and remarks that the case was not harmonized, because it's the same state police command, and it is the same command that is dealing with Mohbad's case. So I was expecting that the case would have been harmonized. And when I didn't see that, I said, okay, fine, no problem. I only attended the Special Squad 1. I met with the deceased father, Mr. Joseph Aloba.
Abẹ́ẹ̀rí báyìí ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n ayé, ẹ̀yin amòye, ẹ̀rí pó lágbára. Àwọn kan ní ọmọ yẹn, irú ọmọ tó lè wùwà báyìí, àwọn òbí ẹ̀ ò fi ẹ̀kọ́ rí kọ́. A jẹ́ pé irú ro ń bò. Ẹnìkan tún comment, ó ní kí irú ọmọ yìí tó lè wùwà báyìí, a jẹ́ pé kò fẹ́ràn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ dénú. Ẹnìkan tún ní iṣẹ́ àtòṣì ni, ó nídìí owó ni, ó nídìí owó. Lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n òfin wa kà lára ló ń béèrè owó kó tó lè release fídíò in tó ṣe kú pẹ̀gbẹ́. Ẹnìkan ní kò tiẹ̀ ní fídíò kankan lọ́wọ́, kàn fẹ́ scam Ṣèyí Fábíyì ni. Ohun tẹ́yìn náà bá rí sí ẹ dákun bá comment ẹ là wá lóye, ẹ kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n o. Ẹ̀yin olùmọ̀, ẹ̀yin ọlọ́gbọ́n tọ́lọ́run fún lóye, ẹja jàǹfààní lára yín, ẹ tọ́ wa sọ́nà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ìjọ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀kọ́ tá a bá ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ ká máa ṣàkíyèsí. Ẹ ṣé.